Akala ko dati, kapag favored ka ni God, mas gagaan ang buhay. Mas magiging smooth, mas magiging clear, mas magiging masaya. Pero bakit ganun? Bakit yung sinabi kong, Lord, I trust you? Parang mas may nawala. Biglang may umalis, biglang may hindi nag-work, biglang may nagsara. And I remember crying and saying, Lord, bakit parang habang lumalapit ako sa'yo, mas lalong kumukunti ang mga bagay sa paligid ko. But slowly, I realized something. Favor doesn't always add. Sometimes, it subtracts. May mga taong inalis, hindi dahil masama sila, kundi dahil hindi na sila aligned sa next version mo. May mga opportunities na hindi natuloy, hindi dahil hindi ka qualified, kundi dahil hindi doon ang direction mo. May mga bagay na kinuha, hindi para saktan ka, kundi para palayain ka. And it hurts. Kasi kahit alam mong may dahilan, masakit pa rin mawalan. Masakit mag-adjust, masakit magsimula ulit, masakit mag-grow out of places na dati mong tinawag na home. But growth feels like loss before it feels like blessing. You will feel alone sometimes, you will feel misunderstood, you will feel like nobody gets why you can't stay the same. But maybe, that's what elevation feels like. God separates you before He elevates you. Not to isolate you, but to prepare you. Because you can't bring everything into the next level. Hindi lahat pwedeng isama. Hindi lahat pwedeng bitbitin. Hindi lahat pwedeng manatili. And maybe the reason you feel uncomfortable is because you're stretching. You're outgrowing old patterns, old fears, old version of yourself. You're not losing. You're evolving. And one day, when everything makes sense, you'll thank God for the things that didn't stay, because favor doesn't just bless you, it refines you. Kapit lang, may bukas pa.